Hello. I didn't see that. But let me ask you this. What if magic was real? What if you could become a magician? And I'm not talking about stage magic. Don't get me wrong. Stage magic is cool, but we're not talking about that. We're not talking about Hollywood magic. Yes, I am actually talking about real magic. Magic with a K. What is magic with a K? Magic with a K is the art and science of changing reality in accordance with your will. And yes, it's absolutely real. And it absolutely works. Would you disbelieve a man with a dog this cute? Ultimately, it's the power to master your reality, to become who you're meant to be, to unleash your true self. Okay, great. So sounds good enough. There he goes. Sounds good enough, but is magic real? I mean, really real, as in like Wikipedia entry real. So my name's Jason Louv. I'm an author and a journalist, and I've spent literally the last 25 years of my life exploring this exact question, seeking the answers, spending God knows how much time and money doing it so that you don't have to. I've even written books on this. This is my newest and 8th book, John Dee and the Empire of Angels. It's actually a history of the entire Western magical tradition. Highly recommended. My work's been covered in Smithsonian Magazine, Dazed. It was mentioned on the Joe Rogan podcast. But you probably know me from The Midnight Gospel on Netflix. I was the Soul Bird. So we're going to cover a lot of ground on this channel. We're going to go all the way back to the oldest, the most ancient forms of brain change. I mean, like the greatest hits. Everything from tarot, astrology, I Ching, astral projection, meditation, all this great stuff, all the way up to the most modern techniques and tools of brain change, everything from neurofeedback, brain training devices, neurolinguistic programming, all this great stuff. If something's out there that will expand human potential, that will allow human beings to be even more, to become their true selves, I want to know about it, and I'm going to tell you about it. So you and I and my trusty assistant here are going to go on a journey into the occult, the arcane, the mysterious, the far reaches of the human mind, the unknown, unmapped territories. And what will we find there? I don't know, but it's going to be fun. Charlie, what would you do if you had real ultimate magic power? So if you take away anything from this video, take these two things, okay? Number one, magic is real, it works, and it will work for you. Number two, you, me, and my magician's assistant are going to explore it together on this channel. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can find out when we release content. We're going to be releasing weekly here. And of course, if you want more, check out the links beneath this video. We've got tons of great stuff there, free meditations, free course, all kinds of great stuff just waiting for you. And of course, leave a comment. Let me know who you are, where you're coming from, where you're at in your journey. I'm really curious to hear more. All right. I'll see you very soon. See you in class.